Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, students? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. I'm also quite well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. First of all, we recite dua. So raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Students, take out an English book from your bag. It's your book? Yes, good. It's our lecture number is 11, subject English. Lecture 11, subject English. Open the book, page number 17. Today our topic is use of my and your. Use of my and your. My and your. My and your. Student, today I tell you where we use my and where we use your. My is used when we talk about myself. My is used when we talk about myself. Your is used when we talk to another person. Your is used when we talk to another person. Clear, students? I repeat the definition of my and your. My is used when we talk about myself. Myself. And your is used when we talk to another person. Let's start reading. Now look at the board. Number 1. This is my bag. This is my bag. This is my bag. Student, you know very well about this. We use this for singular and it's near to us. We use this for a singular object and it's near to us. This is my bag. This is my bag. I have a bag. This is my bag. This is my bag. Clear, students? My is used when we talk about myself. So I use this is my bag. And next sentence is that is your clock. That is your clock. That is your clock. That is your clock. Okay, I have a clock also here. That is your clock. Your clock. Your clock. This is my bag. This is my bag. And that is your clock. Your clock. Clear, students? Your is used when we talk to another person. That is your clock. That is your clock. Okay. And next, my book is small. 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 Your ball is big. Your ball is big. Your ball is big. Your ball is big. Clear, students? Now repeat the page number 17. Topic: use of my and your. Use of my and your. My is used when we talk about myself. Your is used when we talk to an other person. Clear, students? Let's start reading once again. This is my bag. This is my bag. That is your clock. That is your clock. My book is small. My book is small. Your ball is big. Your ball is big. Good, students. Now, students, take out your workbook, English workbook from your bag. Open the page number 42. We solve the fill in the blanks, and topic is my and your. We solve the fill in the blanks by using my and your. My is used when we talk about myself, and your is used when we talk to another person. Let's start. Yes, dash book is small. Dash book is small. We use my. Students, solve in the blanks with me. Let's start. My. My book is small. We already read on the book, so that's why we fill the blanks by using my and your. My book is small. Your dash ball is big. And second option, your. Yes, we write here your. Your. My book is small. Your ball is big. Your ball is big. This is dash cat. This is dash cat. Yes, what I write? Yes, my. This is my cat. Good. That is dash cat. That is dash cat. Yes, that is your cat. That is your cat. Students, we will repeat the page. My book is small. Your ball is big. This is my cat. That is your cat. Dear students, on the book page number 42, there is one more fill in the blanks. Solve it by yourself. Now student, open the page number 43 of workbook. Yes, there is two words. We make a sentences by using this is my and that is your. We make a sentences this is my and that is your. Are you ready, students? Yes, good. It's very interesting. Okay, first word is bag. Bag. We use this word by using this is my. Good. Let's start, students. This yes is good my. This is my and word is bag. Yes, this is my bag. This is my bag. Again we use word bag by using that is your. That is your. This is my bag and second that is your. Then we put the word that is your bag. Yes. Yes, that is your bag. Your bag. This is my bag and that is your bag. Students, look at here. This is my bag and that is your bag. My is used when we talk about myself and your is used when we talk to another person. Clear, student? Good. And second word is chair. 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 Good. Now we make a sentences by using of this and that is your. This is my and that is your. Chair. Chair. This is my chair. Yes, this is my chair. Again we were use by using that is your. This is my chair. That is your chair. Yes, that is your chair. Now I will repeat the lesson. Word is bag. Bag. We make our sentences by using this is my and that is your. Bag. This is my bag. This is my bag. That is your bag. That is your bag. This is my chair. And second word is chair. This is my chair. That is your chair. That is your chair. Clear, students? My is used when we talk to myself and your is used when we talk to another person. Yes. Chair. This is my chair and that is your chair. We repeat this page once again. Word bag. We make our sentences by using this is my and that is your bag. This is my bag. That is your bag. This is my chair and that is your chair. That is your chair. That is your chair. My dear students, do practice of these pages on rough register and take yourself and your family. Fi amanillah.